Hello friends, this is Madan. In previous class, we discussed about the classification of organic compounds. Today, we shall take up the topic is aromaticity and anti-aromaticity. How can we determine aromatic compounds, anti-aromatic compounds, and non-aromatic compounds? Distinctions between aromatic compounds, anti-aromatic compounds, and non-aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds all are cyclic hydrocarbons. They contain closed carbon chain. In all atoms are sp2 hybridized. In this, conjugation is compulsory. Complete conjugation is compulsory. Alternate double bonds. Conjugation is compulsory in end of the molecule. Aromatic compounds all are planar molecules. All atoms are arranged in one plane. Conjugation compulsory. They have planarity. Aromatic compounds all are obey Huckel's rule. 4n plus 2 pi is equal to 2 pi electrons or 6 pi electrons or 10 pi electrons or 14 pi electrons or 18 pi electrons, etc. Here n is equal to integral value. N is equal to 0 or 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Aromatic compounds all are highly stable molecules due to the delocalization of pi bond electrons along the conjugated system. Due to the delocalization of pi bond electrons along the conjugated system, this molecule possesses highest stability. Aromatic compounds all are undergo substitution reactions rather than addition reactions. Aromatic compounds are divided into two types: homocyclic aromatic compounds, heterocyclic aromatic compounds. Homocyclic aromatic compounds are two types: benzenoid aromatic compounds, non-benzenoid aromatic compounds. In these aromatic compounds, pi electrons in these molecules, pi electrons are completely filled in bonding molecular orbitals. There is no electrons in anti-bonding molecular orbitals. No electrons in non-bonding molecular orbitals. Only pi electrons are filled in bonding molecular orbitals. Hence, they are stable. Delocalization of pi electrons takes place along the conjugated system, leads to the formation of different structures. They exhibit resonance. Anti-aromatic compounds. Anti-aromatic compounds all are cyclic hydrocarbons. They contain closed carbon chain. All atoms are undergo sp2 hybridization. Compulsory, all atoms are sp2 hybridized. Complete conjugation is compulsory. Conjugation is compulsory up to end of the molecule. Planar molecules. Anti-aromatic compounds all are planar molecules. All atoms are arranged in one plane, two-dimensional molecules. Aromatic compounds also two-dimensional molecules, two-dimensional shape. Anti-aromatic compounds also having two-dimensional shape. Anti-aromatic compounds obey 4n rule. They obey 4n rule. Here n is equal to not 0. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. 4 pi electrons, 8 pi electrons, 12 pi electrons, 16 pi electrons, 20 pi electrons containing cyclic hydrocarbons are called as anti-aromatic compounds. Anti-aromatic compounds all are unstable, highly unstable. In these molecules, pi electrons are filled in bonding molecular orbitals along with non-bonding molecular orbitals. That's why they are unstable. It is the this reason is responsible for instability of molecules. In these anti-aromatic compounds, pi electrons are filled in bonding molecular orbitals along with anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Hence, they are unstable. And non-aromatic compounds. Non-aromatic compounds all are maybe open chain compounds or cyclic hydrocarbons. They contain closed carbon chain or open carbon chain or branched carbon chain. In these molecules, at least one carbon is sp3 hybridized. At least one carbon is sp3 hybridized. Then only molecule is said to be non-aromatic compounds. No conjugation. Conjugation is not necessary. Conjugation is not necessary. They are non-planar molecules. Anti-aromatic compounds are having three-dimensional structure. Aromatic compounds 2D molecules, anti-aromatic compounds 2D molecules. But non-aromatic compounds all are non-planar molecules. They have odd number of pi electrons. They contain odd number of pi electrons such as 3 pi electrons, 5 pi electrons, 7 pi electrons, 9 pi electrons, 11 pi electrons, 13 pi electrons. Non-aromatic compounds are stable, medium stable. Non-aromatic compounds are more stable than anti-aromatic compounds but less stable than aromatic compounds. Among these all compounds, aromatic compounds are more stable than non-aromatic compounds. Non-aromatic compounds are more stable than anti-aromatic compounds. Homocyclic aromatic compounds more stable than heterocyclic aromatic compounds. Heterocyclic aromatic compounds are more stable than non-aromatic compounds. Non-aromatic compounds are more stable than anti-aromatic compounds. Now we shall discuss few examples for aromatic compounds, anti-aromatic compounds and non-aromatic compounds. How can we predict aromaticity and anti-aromaticity? Example is benzene C6H6. It is a planar molecule. All carbon atoms are sp2 hybridized. Cyclic hydrocarbon, conjugation is also there, which obeys Huckel's rule, 6 pi electrons. So benzene is aromatic compound. Second example is naphthalene. Naphthalene is also cyclic hydrocarbon, conjugated molecule, planar molecule, which obeys Huckel's rule, 10 pi electrons. So it is also aromatic hydrocarbon, benzenoid aromatic hydrocarbon. Aromatic hydrocarbons which contain benzene nucleus are known as benzenoid aromatic hydrocarbons. Third example is phenanthrene. Third example is phenanthrene. It is also cyclic hydrocarbon, planar molecule, conjugated molecule which obeys Huckel's rule, 14 pi electrons. So it is also aromatic hydrocarbon. Fourth example is anthracene. Anthracene. It is a planar molecule, conjugated system. Conjugated system is completely available in this molecule which obeys Huckel's rule, 14 pi electrons. So anthracene is also aromatic hydrocarbon. Next example is Next example is pyrene. It is also aromatic hydrocarbon, but it is special case, which pyrene is the aromatic hydrocarbon. It is the special case. So dihydropyrene is also planar molecule, conjugated system. It contains 14 pi electrons. So it is also aromatic hydrocarbon. The next example is, fifth example is pyrene. Sixth example is dihydropyrene. Seventh example is dihydrodimethylpyrene. Dihydrodimethylpyrene. It is also planar molecule, conjugation is available up to end of the molecule. It obeys Haeckel's rule, 14 pi electrons. So it is also aromatic hydrocarbon. Next example is fullerene. Next example is fullerene. These pi bonded electrons shifted towards to this carbon. These pi bonded electrons being completely shifted, polarized towards to carbon, carbon gets negative charge. After the polarization, this ring cyclopentadienyl anion, planar molecule, which obeys Haeckel's rule, 6 pi electrons. First pi bond consists of 2 pi electrons. 2 pi bonds, 2 twos of 4 pi electrons, and lone pair is also considered as the delocalized electrons. 4 plus 2, 6 delocalized electrons are available inside of the ring. So it is also aromatic hydrocarbon. Next example is eighth example is the fullerene. Eighth example is the fullerene. And next exam, ninth one is the cyclopropynyl cation. Cyclopropynyl cation, it is also cyclic hydrocarbon, planar molecule. All carbons are sp2 hybridized. 4 into here n is equal to 0. 4 into 0 plus 2 is equal to 2 pi electrons, which obeys Haeckel's rule. It is also aromatic hydrocarbon. Next example is cycloprop-2-ene-1-one. Cycloprop-2-ene-1-one. These pi bonded electrons being completely shifted towards to oxygen, because oxygen is more electronegative than carbon. Due to polarization, carbon gets positive charge, oxygen acquires negative charge. This is the, after the polarization, carbon acquires positive charge. So planar molecule, 2 pi electrons. So it is also aromatic hydrocarbon, non-benzenoid aromatic hydrocarbon. Next example is cyclobutenyl dication. Cyclobutene dication. It is also aromatic hydrocarbon because 2 pi electrons, 4 into 0 plus 2 is equal to 2 pi electrons. Delocalized electrons, 2 pi electrons. Conjugation is also there. Positive charge, single bond, double bond, single bond, positive charge. So conjugation is available. Total molecule, planar molecule, 2 pi electrons, which obeys Haeckel's rule. So it is also aromatic hydrocarbons. Next one is cyclobutenyl dianion. Cyclobutene dianion. It is also a planar molecule. Conjugation is possible. Negative charge, lone pair electrons, single bond, double bond, single bond, lone pair electrons. So lone pair electrons are involved in conjugation. Lone pair electrons are involved in conjugation. due to delocalization of lone pair electrons, which obeys Huckel's rule. Lone pair electrons also involved in delocalization. So pi bond consists of two electrons, four lone electrons and two pi electrons. Six electrons are involved in delocalization. Hence, it is also aromatic hydrocarbon. Next example is annuline, 14 annuline. 14 annuline, it consists of 7 pi bonds, alternate double bonds. Conjugation is possible. In total molecule, 7 twos of 14 pi electrons. So it is also aromatic hydrocarbon. 18 annuline. 18 annuline, conjugation is possible. Double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond. Conjugation is possible until end of the molecule. Total molecule, pi bond electrons are delocalized, so which obeys Huckel's rule. 18 pi electrons, so it is also aromatic. Cyclopentadienyl anion. Cyclopentadienyl anion, it is a cyclic hydrocarbon. Conjugation, complete conjugation is there. Lone pair electrons, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, lone pair electrons. Complete conjugation is there. Planar molecule. This lone pair electrons, minus is nothing but lone pair electrons. Lone pair electrons involved in delocalization. Conjugation is there. Due to conjugation, lone pair electrons involved in delocalization. So, cyclopentadienyl anion, species containing 6 pi electrons. So it is, which obeys Huckel's rule, aromatic hydrocarbon. Next example is furan, 5-membered heterocyclic aromatic compound. Lone pair electrons involved in delocalization. Lone pair electrons involved in delocalization, it has 6 pi electrons. So it is also aromatic hydrocarbon, heterocyclic aromatic compound. Third example is thiophene. Thiophene, cyclic hydrocarbon, complete conjugation is there. Planar molecule, all atoms are sp2 hybridized. Lone pair electrons participate in delocalization. So 6 pi electrons, 2 pi bonds, 2 twos of 4 pi electrons, 1 lone pair electrons. So 6 electrons involved in delocalization. So it is also heterocyclic aromatic compound. Next example is pyrrole. It is also cyclic hydrocarbon, planar molecule, complete conjugation, lone pair electrons involved in delocalization, 6 pi electrons, heterocyclic aromatic compound. Next example is the trophylium cation, cycloheptatrienyl cation. Cycloheptatrienyl cation or trophylium cation, it is a non-benzenide aromatic compound, non-benzenide aromatic hydrocarbon. Conjugation, complete conjugation is there. Planar molecule, cyclic hydrocarbon, 6 pi electrons. It consists of 6 pi electrons. 6 pi electrons involved in delocalization. So it is also aromatic compound. Sixth example is trophone. Trophone. Here these pi bonded electrons are shifted towards to oxygen, then carbon gets positive charge, oxygen gets negative charge. These pi bond electrons completely shifted towards to oxygen, oxygen gets negative charge, carbon gets positive charge. So trophone is also heterocyclic, trophone is also aromatic compound, non-benzenide aromatic compound. Next example is tropholone. Here pi bond electrons polarized towards to oxygen, being completely shifted towards to oxygen, then oxygen gets negative charge, carbon gets positive charge. So it is also non-benzenide aromatic compound. Eighth example is indole, heterocyclic aromatic compound. Both rings are having conjugation. Complete conjugation is there. Planar molecule. All atoms are sp2 hybridized. 6 pi electrons. Here also 6 pi electrons involved in delocalization. So it is also aromatic compound. Benzofuran. Benzofuran is also heterocyclic aromatic compound. 6 pi electrons participate in delocalization. So it is also aromatic compound. Next example is pyridine. Pyridine is the heterocyclic 6-membered ring. Heterocyclic aromatic compound. 6 pi electrons involved in delocalization. Planar molecule, complete conjugation is there. Pi electrons, 6 pi electrons are involved in delocalization. So it is also heterocyclic aromatic compound. Next example is benzothiophene. Here also 6 pi electrons involved in delocalization. Here also 6 pi electrons involved in delocalization. So heterocyclic aromatic compound. Next example is quinoline. Quinoline is also heterocyclic aromatic compound. Complete conjugation is there. Planar molecule. All atoms are sp2 hybridized. 6 pi electrons are involved in delocalization. Here also 6 pi electrons involved in delocalization. So it is also heterocyclic aromatic compound. Azulene. Azulene is the non-benzenoid aromatic compound. Azulene is the non-benzenoid aromatic compound. Ferrocene. Ferrocene is also aromatic compound. Cyclopentadienyl anions act as ligands. Cyclopentadienyl anion, cyclopentadienyl anions are connected to iron cation. So it is also aromatic compound. Calcine. Calcine, here pi bond is there. These pi bonded electrons being completely shifted towards to carbon, then cyclopentadienyl anion, negative charge. Cyclopropynyl cation. Pi bond electrons polarized towards to this carbon. Carbon gets negative charge. Obviously, this carbon acquires positive charge. Cyclopentadienyl anion. It has 6 pi electrons, aromatic in nature. Cyclopropynyl cation. It is also aromatic in nature. Biphenyls. Biphenyls also aromatic compounds. First ring and second ring. We have to check for each ring. First ring has 6 pi electrons. Planar molecule, complete conjugation is there. Second ring also containing 6 pi electrons. Delocalization of pi electrons takes place. So it is also aromatic compound. Next example is squaric acid. Squaric acid, here pi bond electrons polarized towards to oxygen, then oxygen gets negative charge. Oxygen gets negative charge, carbon gets positive charge. Here also pi bond electrons being completely shifted towards to oxygen, oxygen gets negative charge, carbon gets positive charge. So squaric acid is also aromatic in nature, aromatic compound. Next example, here pi bond electrons shifted towards to 5-membered ring. These pi bond electrons being completely shifted towards to 5-membered ring, then this carbon acquires negative charge. Here cycle 7-membered ring gets positive charge. Cyclopent dienyl anion, cyclohept trienyl cation. Both are acquire aromaticity. First, here also 6 pi electrons delocalized. Here also 6 pi electrons are involved in delocalization. So it is also aromatic in nature. And next example is diphenyl methane. Diphenyl methane is also aromatic in nature. Next example is imidazole. Imidazole is also 5-membered ring. 6 pi electrons are involved in delocalization. Heterocyclic aromatic compound. 6 pi electrons involved in delocalization. So imidazole is also heterocyclic aromatic compound. Next example is niacin. Here pyridine 6-membered ring. 6 pi electrons are involved in delocalization. Planar molecule complete conjugation is there. COOH is the functional group. So it is niacin, aromatic in nature. Next example is isoquinoline. First ring has 6 pi electrons, second ring has 6 pi electrons. 6 pi electrons involved in delocalization in both rings. Planar molecule complete conjugation is there. So it is also aromatic compound. Pyrrolium ion is also aromatic in nature because it is a conjugated molecule, planar molecule. All atoms are in sp2 hybridization. 6 pi electrons involved in conjugation. So pyrrolium ion is also aromatic in nature. This is called pyrimidine. Pyrimidine is the nucleic acid, 6-membered ring. Here 6 pi electrons involved in delocalization, conjugated molecule, planar molecule, 6 pi electrons which obeys Haeckel's rule. 6 pi electrons are involved in delocalization. So it is also heterocyclic aromatic compound. Most of the natural products, most of the natural medicines also aromatic in nature. Natural products 90% natural products are aromatic compounds. Example hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is also aromatic in character. Chlorophyll, aspirin, DDT, amoxicillin, antibiotic, nicotine, narcotic drugs, nicotine, caffeine, morphine, heroin, codeine, nucleic acids. Nucleic acids means pyrimidine, uracil, thymine, cytosine. So nucleic acids also aromatic in nature. So natural products also aromatic compounds.